When we first got the design finalized for the SeaPod, we were very excited about it. And one of the things that I really pushed for was to have big windows, because the most amazing thing about being on the water is having the views. And if you don't have big windows, you're just wasting your money building a home on the water. So I pushed for it, and boy did I get it. The windows that our architect came back with was absolutely huge, and we didn't know how we would do it. Our architect Kuhn said that you can definitely have them done. They're doable. Not easy, but it's doable. So for the last 3 years, we've been struggling with trying to find a way to make them happen and to have them made, and that has been a huge project. And we've looked at companies all over the world to try to solve this, and we've had some people make some samples. We had some people that have ripped us off, promising things that were not realistic or not something that they could actually do. And we've spent many meetings talking about how to make them happen. So we finally found a company that had the proper equipment and the expertise to make them, and we have now, you'll see in this presentation, this little video, what the result is, and I think they look beautiful. It's a tinted blue. It's called low E. It's low E glass. We're not actually using glass, we're using the polycarbonate version of that, but it's a matching color to the low E glass we'll be using on other parts of the pod. So this color brings down some of the brightness inside, because being on the water, you're going to have a lot of sun coming in as well as reflections from the ocean. So you want to try to bring it down so it's not overly bright inside, and so that'll bring down the brightness. But you'll also see that we have another test we'll be running very soon, so you can see that not only is the brightness brought down, but the UV transmittance through the polycarbonate material is actually very low. It's like 0.1%, as opposed to 100% getting through if you use normal glass, or close to 100% gets through. So with polycarbonate material, that's just a function of what polycarbonate material does. It has this protective quality. So that's really good, and we're excited at how the windows came out. They're making windows that are curved. Making straight windows is easy. Making a window that's curved around one axis is hard. Making windows that are curved around two axes that have continuously changing curves and angles, as we found out, is nearly impossible. So here is the results of all our hard work over the years to make the windows possible. So this is really exciting. Can't wait to mount them on the actual SeaPod.